Yeah, go.
So Peaked Creek. Why? Why are we doing it?
It's part of the provenance of where our produce comes from and where your produce comes from. And to bring a beer that we're brewing in the Peak down to a winery that's producing in the valleys, I think is a natural thing.
Yep.
And something that should work for all of our customers.
Absolutely. And describe it to me. What flavors are we trying to get?
We're making a summer ale for this collaboration, which will highlight the fresh water that we use in our beer, and it'll be a crisp and approachable beer. And although it's an ale, it's going to drink like a pilsner, and it'll be perfect for a summer's day.
Awesome. Here's cheers.
Well done. I'm shit out.